Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Dropbox files from computer without deleting files. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Dropbox often keeps files both online and on your device, which can clutter your hard drive, even if you only need certain files occasionally. First, download the Dropbox application on your computer. Then open the Dropbox app by clicking on this little icon on your taskbar. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click your avatar or profile picture. From this menu, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see multiple tabs. For this task, go to the Sync tab, which manages how files are synchronized between your computer and the Dropbox cloud. In this tab, look for the setting called Default Sync Preference. Normally, Dropbox saves new files both online and locally, but you can change this behavior. Select the option labeled Online Only. This tells Dropbox to keep any new files solely in cloud storage rather than downloading them to your computer automatically. By choosing online only, all future files added to your Dropbox will remain stored online without taking up any space on your hard drive. And that's it. So that is how you can remove Dropbox files from computer without deleting files. So that's all for this video. Thanks.